Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to make an image a circle on Google Slides. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Google Slides is a presentation program that is part of Google's free web-based suite known as Google Docs. It is available as a web application and has mobile app for Android and iOS, as well as a desktop application for Chrome OS. Google Slides is compatible with Microsoft PowerPoint file formats, allowing users to create and edit presentations online while collaborating in real time with others. Now, to make an image a circle in Google Slides, what you need to do first is add a shape for guidance. Open Google Slides and insert your image. For that, go to Insert, then Shape, and then Shapes, and select a basic square. Drag the square over the area where you want to crop the image. This will serve as your cropping guide. Change the fill of the square to transparent by selecting Fill Color and Transparent. Adjust the outline color to something noticeable, like red, so you can easily see the shape. Next, select the square and hold down Shift while using the arrow keys to resize and position it more precisely. Move your image so that the top aligns with the top of your guide square, using the snapping feature to ensure proper alignment. Then right-click on the image and select Crop Image. Adjust the cropping handles to align with the edge of your guide square. The cropping will snap to the edges of the square, ensuring the proportions are correct. Press Enter to apply the crop. With the image selected, go to the crop options on the toolbar, choose Mask Image and select Shape, then Circle. This will apply a circular mask to your image, turning it into a round avatar. If you want to add a border to the avatar, select the image again. Go to the toolbar and click on the border color option to choose a color, example blue or yellow. Adjust the border weight to set the thickness of the border. Once you are satisfied with the cropping and masking, you can delete the guide square as it's no longer needed. Resize and reposition the image as needed. You can further adjust the border color and weight if desired. And that's pretty much all about how you can make an image a circle on Google Slides. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye bye and I will see you in the next one.